quantity of discharge, width of the river, depth of the river, and then velocity. Or velocity, in 1 minute it is able to move from to here, then we will be able to get the length of the river, and that is giving us an idea about the volume of water. It means quantity of discharge of water, quantity of discharge of water. And I said that this quantity of discharge of water, width into depth into velocity, इस width of the river के लिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया, one there is, and I said that one coefficient has been multiplied and a constant coefficient, and one I said that we have taken, like I said that one exponent. Thereafter these exponents and one coefficient is able to, if the width of the river is extending in the form of multiplying in the form, then what will be the quantity of discharge of water? Yes? If the width of the river in some exponent it is increasing, and if the width of the river is multiplying with this, then what should be the quantity of discharge of water? Similarly, if I say that the depth of the river is multiplying with the, I said that so width of the river is, I said that it is what? Determining with the help of quantity of discharge with some exponent and the some coefficient. And the depth of the river is determining, I said that with the quantity of discharge of water and how much coefficient, then it will lead to the depth of the river. If the quantity of discharge of water is increasing, then possibly some coefficient can multiplied and it can what? Increase the depth, and possibly some exponent wise the depth of the river can increase if the depth quantity is more. If the quantity is less, if the water quantity is less, then the depth of the river will also what? Decrease. In a reason that the river is moving with a small amount of water, that they will must decrease, and when it is decreasing, there can be some constant can multiplied, and then some constant can multiplied, and then we can be able to see, I said that, or possibly some exponent can be there, and I said that suppose f हो सकता है कि that can increase in the different region in different amount. In the hard rock depth can be something, in the softer rock depth can be something, and then anywhere this therefore some coefficients are multiplied, and therefore some, what I said, that exponents are multiplied. Similarly for the velocity, then velocity of river water also, you know that it is also somewhere directly proportional to the quantity. And if it is directly proportional to the quantity, if the more the quantity, velocity will be more. And then possibly it is in the form of, I said that, and some exponent. So what I got? Q equals to A, E and G. A into E into G. Q equals to A into E into G, and this Q is there, then B plus F plus H will be there. इसका मतलब क्या है? Q raised to power B, Q raised to power F, and Q raised to power H. So AEG into Q raised to power B plus F plus H. Understood? And for, I said that this discharge of water or this discharge of water, you know that they are both the same. इसका मतलब the discharge of water is like this, that both the equations should be equal. इसका मतलब AEG should be equal to 1, and then B plus F plus M should be equal to 1. Then what we will be able to get equation Q equals to what? Q. Yes. इसका मतलब कि width के पास जो coefficient multiply किया मैंने, क्योंकि एक ही समय में यदि डिस्चार्ज ऑफ वाटर है तो उसी समय विड्थ भी होगा, डेप्थ भी होगा, वेलोसिटी भी होगा. एंड विड्थ कैसे वेरी करेगा, वेलोसिटी कैसे वेरी करेगा, डेप्थ कैसे वेरी करेगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस कांस्टेंट. और ये जो कांस्टेंट होंगे दे आर व्हाट इज ए इंटू ई इंटू जी इक्वल्स टू मस्ट बी 1 एंड बी प्लस एफ प्लस एम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1. Yes. So width को हमने कैसे दिखाया, and then depth, and I have shown you like this, where width W that it is in a varying with respect to some coefficient and with respect to some what I said that exponents. So and finally when we multiplied we got, and I said that this thing, and therefore we can be able to have that this multiplied form or this plus form must be equal to 1, and exponent change with respect to ये सारे exponents किस किस के respect में change करेंगे, heavy rainfall हो जाए, yes or no, and then it is happening in the harder rock or softer rocks, the width, depth and velocity will also get changed on the basis of location, on the basis of climate and discharge condition.